Coming in at number 77 is the second roller coaster at Drayton Manor, the 2008 Gerstlauer Junior Coaster Troublesome Trucks Runaway Coaster, located in the themed area of Thomasland. This junior coaster is a fun and better roller coaster than J or MUN and R. Have you managed to experience this Gerstlauer Junior Coaster? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that you enjoy this short-term video of Drayton Manor's Gerstlauer Junior Coaster Troublesome Trucks. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Please share this short video out. Leave me a comment, and lastly, please do subscribe to today's attraction shorts for more upcoming future short-term videos. Thank you in the next video.